the fingers.
Oh.
다시 가요?
You're a horrible student.
More.
Okay, so today I'm going to the Yangsu province. I had read about strawberry picking in Seoul between December through June, so I thought that was really weird. Apparently there's a farm out there, so we're gonna go out there right now. If there's any luck, I will make it in time for them. I think they're going to be making strawberry mochi as well. The strawberry farm is supposed to be indoors, so it's all a greenhouse, so I'm really excited. It's about 1.5 to 2 hours outside of Seoul though, so I'm going to be taking the rail right now. It's not too expensive, but it's gonna take right around an hour from this station, So I just arrived at the stop. It was actually really pretty scenery during the trip, but now I believe I can catch a cab to the farm, and it should be between like $1 to $3 is what people say, and it should take about 5 minutes. So I'm a little bit late for the class, so hopefully maybe they can still let me in. Alrighty, this is apparently where we got dropped off. It's like the Korean leek onion family. Look at that, a little Shiba. Hi, you. Hi, hi, hi. Aww. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So this is where you make mochi, or you can make chocolate covered strawberries. Oh my gosh! So you can see, like, here are the tables. This is literally where you pick the strawberry. How gorgeous does that look? There are some really red ones too. Keeping in mind that this is like March, so their season is actually from December till June, and I think strawberry picking is really popular in December because all throughout Seoul I saw some posters for like Strawberry Festival, and I was like, oh, but it's March. You can also make chocolate covered strawberries, and you can make mochi, and it looks like we can make mochi, so let's go. Pick first? Okay.
Baby strawberry.
Oh, okay.
Baby strawberry. Here flower have to meeting by a honeybee.
She has like a whole bee farm here so that the bees can pollinate the strawberries.
Now in the weather, house open. And wind by wind.
Okay, so right now we're gonna head back into the kitchen area. Staff are going to clean the strawberries for us, but we're also going to be making some mochi. I'm a bad strawberry picker. 감사합니다. Oh, I can just eat those. Okay.
저기 제가
So this is the rice. It's already kind of pounded. So this is our thing for mochi.
앉아보세요.
Okay.
이거는 콘 파우더.
Okay.
콘플로어, 콘플로어. 이건 레드빈, 스트로베리.
Okay. Oh, red bean and strawberry.
그래서 언더 핑거스.
Okay.
그다음에 소프트 프레스. 프레스. 그다음에 다이 핑거, 치즈. 원 스푼. 풋 센터. 돈 페인트.
Okay.
이렇게 폴드. 그다음에 스틱.
Ah, okay. That's beautiful.
제가 사실 그게 뚜껑이랑 병이 같이 돼 있는 건 줄 알고 비벼가지고요. 예, 그 홀더 있는 거 세트로 보면 예, 411짜리.
While you're making the mochi.
Now it is delicious.
Oh, okay. I was gonna make one.
But you can keep 2 days.
Oh, 2 days. Okay.
커팅 할게요. 커팅. 스트로베리 하프.
Oh, strawberry heart.
커팅해서 테이스트.
Okay, Alright, let's give this guy a taste. So it was red bean and strawberry jam, and then there's a strawberry inside. The red bean is really good. Like the red bean and the strawberry, because then it's not too sweet.
네, 이걸로. 이것만
So said to roll it into a ball, the size, and pick the strawberry that's like, it's gonna be like the size of the strawberry, right? And then you said,
이제 여기 로 프레스.
okay,
Yes. 네.
good.
위에서 한 번.
Ah, you're a horrible student. She also said don't spread. Oh well. Pop it out with the strawberry and just fold it over.
문자로 한번 좀 넣어보지.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
네, 웬만하면 뭐.
She had to pick up. Oh. This is definitely going to explode. Alright. Alright. Yeah, that definitely exploded. So this is the bursted side. This is the not bursted side. And yeah guys, that's how you make strawberry mochi.